how to breathe when cycling. It sounds obvious, but there's a little bit of a technique to it, and all the pros, they do the same thing. I'm going to particularly focus on climbing because that's when you're generally at threshold. And we'll look at Chavez here. Open mouth, you want to be slack jaw like a python eating a massive bit of prey. Unhinge that bottom jaw. I generally put my bottom teeth forward a bit and just suck that air in. Big measured breaths, not no panting like a dog. Just suck it in and keep your upper body still. Just imagine that you're forcing that as much air per breath down into the bottom of your stomach. So no one climbs mouth closed in the pro peloton. So now we're going to look at who won this stage and won the Giro d'Italia with this effort. Nibali. Focus on his belly. This is the second part of breathing when you're going full gas. Extending and riding with a fat belly. Like, he looks like he's kind of fat there, you know, when you're not realizing how much he's breathing. But look how thick he makes his abdomen. Expands it massively, almost distends it, and then brings it back in. Full deep breaths. When you're cycling up a hill, you don't want to breathe with your shoulders jogging up and down, moving like that. Upper body completely still, and just completely filling your chest cavity with your lungs, and then forcing all the oxygen out. You want to get as much oxygen in as you can, and then get rid of all that CO2 waste product afterwards. So this is some Hubbard I found on the internet. He's doing a VO2 max test, and he's going full gas. And he's able to do the belly breathing technique as well. And once that's the way you breathe, you'll do it automatically. It's not like this. It's not like I'm thinking about it here. So if some useless rookie rider like me can sort of breathe properly and get the most out of my aerobic system, then you all can. It's just a little bit of practice and staying calm. It's just big, deep breaths, breathing with a rhythm. And so my heart rate would be about 192 here, 193. But obviously I'm not breathing that quickly, and just big, deep, measured breaths. The minute you start hyperventilating or just filling your lungs halfway, you're going to build up fatigue, metabolize carbon dioxide, and you're going to go anaerobic. Breathe like Nibali, big, deep breaths. Fill that chest cavity as much as you can, and you'll get the most out of your aerobic system.